59 divided by 2. 2 goes into 5 how many times? So we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 1, 2. Add 2 with the previous step to get the multiplication table of 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. So 2 goes into 5 how many times? 4. 2, 3 times 6 which is getter, so 2 times 4. 2 times 2, 4, subtract 1. Bring down this 9. 2 goes into 19 how many times? 10 times 20, 9 times 18. 2 times 9 times 2, 18. Subtract 1. So 29 remainder 1 is your answer. But if you want to write your answer in decimal, just take a decimal point, the number of zeros. Bring down the first zero. 2 goes into 10 how many times? Look, 5 times. 2, so 5 times, but before this 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient, so 2 goes into 10. 5 times, 5 times 2, 10. Strike 0. So 29.5 is your quotient, and this is the result.